Hi guys, this is Addie Buckley Burnell in the University Career Center, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about a really great resource that we have in our office that is called What Can I Do with This Major? Now, What Can I Do with This Major is really helpful for a couple of different things. One, if you have an idea of what your major might be, or if you've already declared a major, and you want to have an idea of what you can do for a career based on that major, if you want to have an idea of what types of employers to go for, or if you want to have an idea as far as what type of job search engines or career prospects might be, even professional organizations, this is really essential. The other helpful piece about this is that if you're just exploring majors, this can be a really great way to kind of know what your plan B, C, D might be if your ideal career field doesn't quite what you expected. So let me show you how to use this. First off, it is on the University Career Center's website. Now you are not going to be able to get to this unless you go through our page because it's a paid subscription. So go to our undergraduate page. It's also available on some of our other pages as well, but this is the easiest way. Simply scroll down here to What Can I Do with This Major? Now it will bring you to a site that then you are going to have to hit on View All Majors. You can go in either of these directions. Now this site was created by the University of Tennessee, Knoxville, and we pay for the subscription to it. They are kind of the standard for this piece, and so we might as well not reinvent the wheel. So the majors, I tell you that because the majors may not always align exactly with the titles that we have here at Auburn, but just about everything is represented. You just might need to be a little creative on how you actually title the major, all right? So if I were to go through here and say, I'm thinking about possibly majoring in psychology. Now, some of the things that will show up here are going to be very obvious. They're going to talk about the direct care areas of psychology that you might need to go into. But then there's some things that might be a little bit more out of the box. So each of the different sections of this website is going to go into the areas in which you might work. If you're looking at human services, it will talk about the different types of positions that you might have within that field, the types of employers that will hire for those types of roles, and then the strategies. And that's a really important piece because if you need to go on for an advanced degree, if you need to be looking for specific licensing processes or types of experiences, let's say a co-op or a specific type of research or internship, it spells that out for you. And so it makes it really nice so that it kind of takes a little bit of that guesswork out and even gives you ideas as far as things you could be doing along the way to be prepared. Again, it is broken down by section. So if you're thinking about doing something related to research, it will talk about that, the types of employers, strategy, education, human resources, business and industry, and then it will give you some general information. The general information is going to give you that kind of concept of, given this degree, most people who want to work in that field are going to need to go for advanced education. So it dispels all the concern about that. It lets you know what some of those options might be at the different levels of education, whether that be a master's degree, which is going to be 2 extra years, an educational specialist, which is typically about 3 years, and then the doctoral as well. So it breaks all of that fun information down. Now, if you continue scrolling on the page, it will give you some really, really helpful resources. So looking at professional organizations over here on the left, you can see what some of the more common professional organizations are going to be, and these are all hyperlinked directly to their websites. Occupational Outlook Handbook is a really great non-biased career information site that will give you direct information about salary ranges, expectations for growth rate of this industry, similar career fields, and so on. So take a look at that if you're considering any of these options. I apologize. The other part on here will be related resources, some additional resources that might be helpful for you to explore. And then, of course, employment opportunities. And that is a really nice way for you to get some ideas as far as specific niche job search sites that may be relevant to the industries that you're looking at. Now again, you're going to be able to use this resource to explore any major you're considering or any major that you've already declared and get some idea as far as those professional options based on that major. Hope that was helpful for you today. Be sure to take a look at that. No matter what your situation is, it's going to be a useful site. And we are happy to show you again if you need help with your specific area. Have a great day.